Alright. It's Saturday, so we still got quite a bit of activity going on. This was all shut down around 3 o'clock since it's Saturday. Normally around 5:36 during the week. Starting up typically at 7. Every day that is open. There are 29 buildings. Includes the clubhouse. And they're in various stages of completion. I'm at the back part of the complex, and most of this stuff is the last stuff done, so that's why still quite a bit to do back here. And some of the buildings have as many as 42 apartments in them. Some as few as 4. Some are 4 stories with lofts. Just this one building on this particular little street. Alright. Okay, let's double back and then go around to the other street. There's nothing really back here, just going to take a look. You can see here where it's 4 stories here. Sounds like a highway, but it's not really a highway, it's a road. I don't know if you can hear all that noise. If you hear all that, you would think it's a highway, but it's not. You can see it's another slab there. Alright. Let's head back up towards the more completed area. This one here is 36 apartments. Not sure if there's been any issues with theft at this one. Hillside has had a few issues. They got everything sealed up using subfloor to make doors and stuff to close up that one. I got pictures posted of the alleged culprit. I haven't heard what he stole, so I'm not sure. Garages are a little tight, in my opinion, unless you got a little compact car like that one. Maybe I can't drive. Nice little side door there. I want the side door. Speaking of doors, these are all doors. Boy, the sun ain't blasting, but it sure is humid. There's 4 sets of garages. That's a maintenance building in front of us. And then that's trash with a double bay. Alright. Going back up towards the front where there's more of a finished product. Where, you know, how these will look once completed. And you can start to see right there some of them that have the facade on and what they look like finished. Mail kiosk, and then clubhouse, and the brown with the white brick is the clubhouse. Swimming pool. Pool's kind of hard to see from here, but there's no water and it's still being finished. Very shallow though. I guess that's for safety. It's less than 5 feet deep on the deep end. All right, let's turn here. Now we're going to start seeing more stuff that's closer to completion, and some that are completed. going to be a nice product. Just remember when these were all slabs. And then seeing what they are now is very nice. So much work goes into it that people who are buying them don't realize. I think it should be a better way to do the HVACs, so they're not just sitting out like that. Okay. And that's essentially it. I came in the other entrance, so I'm not going back over that way. The landscape design there, we're working on. It's going to be nice. All right. Well, like I said, that's essentially it, since it's not going on the to the other entrance. I've already been over there. Just going to head towards the out. Go right here and head out of the complex. All right, there we go. There's the exit, and thanks for watching.